I'm going to try something different today with this wine, the Cranberry wine. 8 litres of it, bag and a half of granulated sugar, original gravity 1.080, and it's all at 20 degrees anyway, didn't need heating, upper cooling, doing room temperature is quite hot. Speaking to Stevie Hoobaloo a couple of weeks ago there, and we come up with throwing ideas around, see if it would work, and I'm going to try it for the first time. Instead of infusing my tea bags at the start with a bit of hot water and then taking them out, straining them, throwing them away and putting the rest of the juice in, I'm going to, hold on, I've got not enough hands here. I've got them in a muslin bag this time, 20 tea bags, berry infusion. I'm just going to hop them, dry hop type stuff, put the yeast in there. I'm just going to set the tea bags in here for the duration of the fermentation, and we'll see what the flavour's like when it's done. Yeast I used this time, Gervin G4V high alcohol wine yeast. Better if it's in the camera, isn't it? I think it's Muntons that do this, is it? Aye, Muntons. First I've used this yeast as well, I think, Focus. So we'll see how that goes. Apart from that, that's all it takes. So I'm going to do other brews today as well, so I've just thought I'd try this for the first time and let the tea bags just infuse throughout the whole fermentation.